Please, tell me about your daily routine. It is a simple request, but when asked during a high-stakes scenario like a job interview, it can cause immediate hesitation. By the end of this video, you will eliminate that hesitation. You are going to write, quality check, and verbally perform a custom 5-sentence script detailing your day using the simple present tense. To complete this exercise, you need 3 things right now: a pen, a piece of paper, and a mirror, or just the front-facing camera on your phone. Mastering this specific tense provides you with a reliable language framework. It is a foundational tool for clear, everyday communication. Step 1 is understanding exactly when to use the simple present tense. You use it to detail your daily habits, regular activities, and established facts. This 3-part formula builds your sentences: subject, verb, and additional information. For a morning routine, the subject is I, the verb eat, and the information breakfast at 8 a.m. Swap components to fit your schedule. I study Python. Internalizing this 3-part structure removes the guesswork from sentence construction. You now have a reliable template for describing the most common interactions in your day. Pick up your pen. Step 2 is building your physical script. Start by writing down the subject I 5 times in a vertical list. Look at your first I. Complete this sentence by adding an action and the specific time you wake up. For the second sentence, add a daily hygiene or preparation habit, such as brushing your teeth. Move to the third line and write down your typical morning meal. On the fourth line, detail your routine commute. Write down how you travel to work or college. Complete the 5th sentence by identifying your primary daily study or work task. Check your paper against this graphic. You should have 5 distinct, completed sentences mapping out your morning. Committing abstract thoughts to a physical, written list reduces the mental energy required to recall them. You can focus on the performance rather than searching for the right words during a conversation. Step 3 is the quality check. We need to navigate the primary failure point for this tense, the S trap, where speakers incorrectly add or omit the letter S on their verbs. This logic board outlines 2 rules. Rule 1. First person and plural pronouns map directly to the base form of the verb without an S. Rule 2. Third person singular pronouns, he, she, or it, must connect to a verb with an S added. Since you wrote your personal script in the first person, check your verbs right now. If you wrote I studies Python, apply Rule 1 and drop the S. The correct form is I study Python. If you are speaking about someone else, Rule 2 applies. He study Python fails the check. Adding the S generates he studies Python. Applying this 2-rule quality check ensures grammatical precision. It removes the minor errors that often distract a listener from your message. Step 4 puts your verified script to work. Stand in front of a mirror or open your phone's selfie camera. Read your 5 sentences out loud, continuously, exactly 5 times in a row. This provides a direct neurological benefit. Hearing your own voice speak the correct grammar aloud reinforces your language acquisition pathways. Verbal repetition is the bridge you need. It moves the grammatical rules from conscious memory into automatic muscle memory. You have successfully crafted, audited, and verbally performed a grammatically accurate daily routine. This exact script has immediate, real-world utility. You can use it today at networking events, in job interviews, or during casual introductions. Your homework is visible on this checklist. Tonight, expand your script. Write and practice 5 new sentences about your evening routine. Language proficiency isn't about learning everything at once, but rather mastering 1 tense and 1 routine at a time.